Good afternoon, it's Peter Boulton. Do you know, a few years ago we were given a challenge and a statement was used as it's better than the alternative. And at the time we thought, what do you mean it's better than the alternative? And the plan was really that a company that I was working for was not doing very well, and the financial control of the company said we need to reduce the costs of running the business and we're going to ask everybody to take a pay cut. And clearly we weren't very happy about that. But the expression it's better than the alternative really meant, as a slightly sort of clothed threat I suppose, that if we didn't take a cut in wages the company may not have survived, and the alternative would have been that we'd have all been out of a job. So yes, in that respect it's better than the alternative. And I find myself now, when I'm working with businesses and helping to develop and grow those businesses, some of those businesses can be in a very challenging place. And I find myself using the same expression, it's better than the alternative. And what I mean by that is I'm using that expression to help business leaders understand that sometimes you have to go through some pain, and that could even mean reducing the amount of money that you're paid until you get through perhaps a challenging time in your business, and the business then starts to develop and grow and becomes more profitable, when clearly you can then put yourself back in the position that you're earning what you want from your business. I think it was Jim Rohn that always used to say profits are better than wages. And of course, at least if you're running your own business and it's your business, you can then choose how much the business pays you. And assuming that you're profitable, then the profits are yours. Slightly different to the situation that I was at that I mentioned earlier, when I was working for somebody else many years ago, when that expression was used, it's better than the alternative. Actually, the alternative for me at that time might have been that I should step away from the business and go and do something else. However, in that instance, I'm pleased that I didn't, because I ended up actually running that business and turning it into a highly profitable business. Anyway, I just thought I'd share that thought with you, that sometimes, it's better than the alternative might be an expression that is very helpful to you as well. Anyway, I'll let you get on. Have a great day.